Mr. Johnson, you're the most famous and important person I've ever met.
Is that right?
Yes.
Got it.
So,
What about your mum?
nah, she's not famous.
Sure.
So, I would like to ask you, who is the most famous and important person
Queen.
you've ever met?
Queen.
Go with your next
I
one.
met the
Thank
Queen.
you. As a Jill Dando news reporter, we like to share good news stories.
Yes.
So if you become our next Prime Minister, what good news story would you share?
We're going to increase funding for every primary and secondary school, so that we're going to spend, I think, a total of £4.6 billion to lift up spending on schools around the country. How about that?
That's amazing. Thank you.
Yeah. So King Alfred's will almost certainly be in line
Fantastic.
for a big increase.
Here's the key question.
Go on then.
As a child, I don't like harming animals, but seagulls are becoming a problem here
Seagulls.
at King Alfred School. So
Right.
what would you do to prevent this?
Wow, that is a very, very good question. What are you allowed to do? Yeah. What can you do?
Steady, Boris.
This is a very, very difficult one. Could you encourage them, perhaps with, I've got it. Elijah,
Yeah.
this is what we're going to do. We're not going to harm them. We're not going to shoot them. We're not even going to catch them in nets. We're not going to get them in quick climb. What we're going to do is we're going to use ultra high-pitched sonic disturbances designed to imitate the noise of, what is it? What does a seagull look like? Hawks. That's it. We're gonna use brilliant West Country developed hawk noises to scare them off.
That's such
How about that? And we're gonna have special West Country developed drone hawks. They're gonna fly above the coast of Somerset, and here in the Somerset levels and wherever, and to scare them off. How about that? Would that work?
That's amazing.
Brilliant.